वीएनएम के सेगमेंट हाउ टू सेव एनर्जी आओ बनाए ग्रीन आर्मी में आनंद विद्या विहार स्कूल के बच्चों ने की ऊर्जा बचत और उसके उपायों के बारे में चर्चा।
हाउ टू सेव एनर्जी आओ बनाए ग्रीन आर्मी, स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय गुजरात एनर्जी डेवलपमेंट एजेंसी जेडा।
हाउ टू सेव एनर्जी आओ बनाएं ग्रीन आर्मी। ग्रीन आर्मी है ये सारे बच्चे। आज मैं आई हूँ आनंद विद्या विहार स्कूल में और इस स्कूल में एनर्जी और एनर्जी के संरक्षण के लिए बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स बच्चों द्वारा किए गए हैं। ये बच्चे क्या सोचते हैं, उनके आइडियाज़ क्या है और उन्हीं आइडियाज़ के बारे में आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। सबसे पहले आइए जानते हैं कि ऊर्जा हमारे लिए इतनी इम्पॉर्टेंट क्यों है।
For me, be from coming to school from home or going home, I need energy because I come to school in a car or in a rickshaw or in a van, anyone. And then we require energy in our classes for lights and fans. We also require energy for our daily activities like washing clothes. That requires energy for making food. Each and everything requires energy. And practically right now in this modern world, without energy, life is not possible.
Exactly, क्योंकि हमारे जीने के तौर तरीके ऐसे हो गए हैं, हमारी लाइफस्टाइल ऐसी हो गई है कि बिना ऊर्जा के एक कदम भी चलना हमारे लिए मुश्किल है।
Ma'am, as in our school we have made some practices like we have resource monitors who when we go to some co-curricular activities, when we do not need energy, light energy, then they can switch off the lights and fans.
ओके, मतलब स्कूल में भी, घर में, स्कूल में, जहाँ जहाँ जब हमें ज़रूरत नहीं है हम लाइट्स, फ़ैन वगैरह या जो भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आइटम्स जो हम गैजेट्स हम यूज़ करते हैं उन्हें स्विच ऑफ कर दे। एक आसान और बेसिक तरीका है ये एनर्जी बचाने का। लास्ट ईयर योर स्कूल हैड अ थीम गो ग्रीन, राइट? गो ग्रीन जो साल भर आपका थीम था, आपने क्या किया?
We had many projects involved in it, and we had made many projects to make people aware what energy is and why we need to conserve it. So, what effect will it have on our future?
What else did you do?
We had a project, so I made a solar car which use solar energy to run instead of using the batteries, which will save the energy.
We had also collected e-waste so that we can use it for making energy.
We made projects on hydroelectricity. By using turbines we created energy, so we can save energy by using the flow of water.
Okay, so now there are two types of energy, right? One energy which is going to exhaust, okay, in your future, and the other is renewable energy.
In my project, we used the solar energy to boil the water. In that, we used a convex lens. Now, the solar energy, the light falling on the convex lens gets concentrated to a particular point. Adjusting with the concave mirrors placed beneath, we could focus all the sunlight coming to a one point. And that point, because of that high intensity, the heat would be generated and we could really boil the water. Water which goes up as a water vapor, then condenses, and hence we received a distilled water. Now this distilled water can be used in aquarium, which excretes NH3, that is ammonia. Now this ammonical water and the ammonia would get mixed in that water. This ammonical water would be then transferred to the plants, and hence the plants could get nutritious water. The plants could grow. So from it contains all the type of converting energy to various forms, and hence we could use the solar light to boil water, and that water which would be transferred to the plants.
यानी एक प्रोजेक्ट ऊर्जा से जुड़ा हुआ और उससे हम कितने सारे काम जो हैं वो कर सकते हैं। बहुत ही उम्दा प्रोजेक्ट है, इट्स लवली, दैट्स वाई वी से कि ये ग्रीन आर्मी है। बहुत सारे आइडियाज़ हैं, बहुत सारे कंसेप्ट्स हैं। मैं तो कहती हूँ जब बच्चों के साथ होते तो हम बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं, बिकॉज इट्स अ फुल इन बॉक्स लोडेड विथ आइडियाज़।
ગુજરાત સરકારની સોલાર રૂફટોપ યોજનાથી બનાવો તમારા ઘરને ઉર્જાનું ઉપવન। સરકાર દ્વારા ₹20,000 સુધીની સહાય, જે યથા સમયે ભારત સરકાર દ્વારા મંજૂર કરાતી સહાય ઉપરાંતની રહેશે। જોડાણ ક્ષમતાના 50% સુધીની મંજૂરી। આજે જ સંપર્ક કરો www.jeda.gujarat.gov.in, જ્યાં આપને નિયત ફોર્મ તથા જરૂરી માહિતી ઉપલબ્ધ થશે, જે ફોર્મ સાથે રહેઠાણની માલિકીનો પુરાવો તથા છેલ્લા મહિનાના વીજ બિલની પ્રમાણિત નકલ બીડીને આ જ કચેરીને પરત મોકલવાનું રહેશે। ક્લાઇમેટ ચેન્જ વિભાગ અને ગુજરાત ઉર્જા વિકાસ એજન્સી।
नॉन रिन्यूएबल एनर्जीज़ अभी के टाइम में इतनी ज़्यादा यूज़ हो रही है कि अभी दे आर ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ एग्जॉशन, एंड दैट्स वाई वी नीड नॉन रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी जो कि हम बार बार यूज़ कर सकते हैं. वी कैन रीयूज़ देम in various ways.
There are infinite sources of renewable energy. It is just that we need to find how to use them, when to use them and how.
रिन्यूएबल सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी एक ऐसा ज़रिया जिससे हम ऊर्जा पा सकते हैं, सेव कर सकते हैं, स्टोर कर सकते हैं, सो दैट वी कैन यूटिलाइज देम इन फ्यूचर. रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी क्या है और वो कैसे मिलती है हमें?
Renewable energy is that source of energy which is not exhausted, and we can use it for a longer period of time. And at this period of time where the population of India is increasing, we need many sources of renewable energy. The most basic source is solar energy. When we use the solar cars or solar cells, the energy of the sun is trapped and it is converted to many other forms of energy such as electrical energy or many other heat energy, thermal energy. The most recent I feel that it's geothermal energy, which is the energy trapped inside the surface of the earth, and we need many mechanisms to trap this energy and convert it into many usable forms of energy so that we can run our appliances or anything, or the fans or ACs whenever we need. So I think that renewable energies need to be utilized at maximum rate.
A few years ago, our school had done a project which had gone to the CBSE project competition. It was about we have many high-rise buildings in this generation, like flats, and each have a tank above them which stores the water. And like that, they had done a project that in the morning everybody knows that everybody uses the tap and water is rushing constantly. So if we attach a dynamo to it, it can convert the rushing water's energy, which means hydroelectric energy, into electrical energy and supply it to so that we can light up corridors and doors and every room of that flat. That will be a very good example and we should implement it.
There is a special type of hydro energy which is known as OTEC, Ocean Thermal Energy Conversion. It is a type of energy that runs on the heat difference between the types of waters in a same ocean, in the same water body. The top is a bit warmer than the bottom, and so making the water run through or making some other more volatile substance run through it and converting it into vapors, then running a turbine using the same volatile material, we can make a lot of energy.
Just like tidal energy, we even have wave energy, which is also used, which is also the source is the sea, and but we need to know that this source needs to be developed in India, because the places we don't have the appropriate technology as well as the appropriate places where this energy can be harnessed. But when we reach a point where we have the mechanism and we have the appropriate apparatus to use it, this energy could yield lots of this form of energy could yield a lot of energy for all the users of coastal areas, people living in coastal areas.
बहुत सही बात है. हमारे पास जो ऊर्जा है, एक है जो नष्ट होने वाली है, एक है जो रिन्यूएबल, जिसके बारे में बच्चे बात कर रहे हैं. ऊर्जा को हम जो है वो जनरेट कर सकते हैं. रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी ख़त्म नहीं होने वाली है, लेकिन सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट बात ये भी है कि क्या हमारे पास ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स अवेलेबल है, क्या हमारे पास ऐसे एरियाज़ अवेलेबल है, ऐसे सिस्टम या ऐसे प्लान्स अवेलेबल है जहाँ पे जो ये रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी है उसे हम अर्जित कर सकते हैं या उसे हम अर्जित कर सकते हैं. वो एक बहुत बड़ा सवाल है. एनर्जी कहाँ से मिल सकती है? स्टूडेंट्स आर वेरी क्लियर अबाउट इट. नाउ द क्वेश्चन कम्स, हाउ टू जनरेट द एनर्जी. ये एक बहुत बड़ा सवाल है, ताकि कई गांव ऐसे हैं जहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं है, कई एरिया, रिमोट एरिया ऐसे हैं जहाँ पे लोगों को न पढ़ने के लिए बच्चों के पास इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है, न रोज़मर्रा के कामकाज के लिए. ऐसी जगहों पर, ऐसे रिमोट एरियाज़ में अगर रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी जनरेट की जा सकती है तो काफ़ी ही यूज़फुल हो सकती है ये.
How to save energy? आओ बनाए ग्रीन आर्मी. Sponsored by Gujarat Energy Development Agency, JEDA.